Factorization of quadratic polynomials. In this module, you will learn how to find the factors of a quadratic polynomial geometrically. Let us recall how we can split the middle term of a quadratic expression. First, split the first term into two factors so that each factor has a variable. Now split the last term into two factors. Write the factors in columns in the possible arrangements as shown. In each arrangement, multiply the factors in opposite corners and add. Select the combination of two terms that adds to give the middle term. Replace the middle term by the sum of two selected terms to factorize the quadratic expression. In this way, we can split the middle term of any quadratic expression that has factors. Also, you know that the area of a rectangle is the product of its length and breadth. Let us do an activity to find the factors of x square minus x minus 6 geometrically. For the activity, we need a sheet of paper, an orange square grid of dimension 10 by 10, 3 white rectangular strips of dimension 10 by 1, 2 yellow rectangular strips of dimension 10 by 1, and 6 white square slips of dimension 1 by 1. If we split the middle term of x square minus x minus 6, we get x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Now let us show this quadratic expression geometrically. Take the square grid to represent a square of side x and paste it on the sheet. Its area represents x square. This indicates that each rectangular strip has the dimensions x by 1. Also, the area of each rectangular strip is x. Now take the 3 white rectangular strips to represent 3x and paste them on the square grid as shown. Now the orange area represents x square minus 3x. Now take 2 yellow rectangular strips to represent 2x and paste them to the right of the square grid as shown. Now the orange and the yellow area represents x square minus 3x plus 2x. Now the area of each slip represents the numeral 1. Thus, take 6 slips to represent the numeral 6 and paste them on the yellow rectangular strips as shown. The remaining orange and yellow area represents x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. We can observe that the orange and the yellow figures together form a rectangle whose sides are x minus 3 and x plus 2. We can represent the area of the rectangle as a product of its two sides. Thus, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 or x square minus x minus 6 is equal to x minus 3 whole into x plus 2 whole. In this module, you have learned how to find the factors of a quadratic polynomial geometrically.